I hope that you're enjoying the community day so far. So today's talk is going to be about Amazon Connect. A little bit about me. My name is Safae Nabet. I'm a cloud engineer. And my talk is about Amazon Connect. How many of you have had not so good experiences with when interacting with contact centers? Yeah, it's a very common thing, and it could be for different reasons, either long waiting periods or going from one agent to another because no one could handle our requests, or sometimes talking to robots who can't really understand what we're saying. Amazon has one of the best customer experiences in the world, and that's for different reasons. First of all, is because they are customer obsessed, but also because they have a lot of experience with the contact centers, and that's what makes Amazon Connect interesting. So Amazon Connect is the contact center as a service offering from AWS. Of course, using Amazon Connect by itself is not enough to have such good customer experiences. And what is needed is knowing all of its features and how it can be leveraged with other AWS services. So let me walk you through some of these features. This is not an exhaustive list. There is way more to Connect than this. I want to start with contact flows and models. So contact flows is one of the components of Amazon Connect where you can design the entire experience of customers from start to finish. It gives a lot of flexibility on how to make such experience dynamic and personalized. I will go through that later. Models are also interesting because they help keep these contact centers as small as possible, and that's one of the best practices, so that they're easier to manage. And if there was something to change and we don't do it on the model, it spreads across all the contact flows. Another thing is it can be easily used with AI-based services, and these can really help enhance contact centers and have like self-service experiences. I will touch on that later also. There's also routing profiles and queues. And queues is where the customers wait until they get assigned to an agent. And routing profiles help with such routing based on the skill set of the agent and on priority. Another feature is contact lens, and this is what allows for real-time analytics. So this is very useful for supervisors of contact centers to get insight onto, for example, sentiment analysis of customers, what percentage of their emotions is negative and what percentage is positive, also to detect issues, to make decisions in real time, and also summarizing the conversations so that the agents are more productive. And the last thing is it can be integrated with existing CRM tools, like, for example, Salesforce, which also makes this interesting. And all of this is, all of this is offered with the same cloud model, pay as you go, so there is no licenses or upfront payments. So here there's a random example, one small part of what a contact flow looks like. So you have these different blocks that you can drag and drop in a designer, and you have inputs and outputs based on how you want the interaction between customers and the contact center goes. So you can invoke Lambda functions from a contact center. You can also use bots from Amazon Lex, and I will show, I'll explain to you an architecture on how this allows for such dynamic and personalized experiences. So as I said, how can we use Amazon Connect is you create an instance, and within that instance, you can claim phone numbers that customers will call, and then each phone number is associated with a contact flow. Then that contact flow will be designed a certain way to get that customer through an experience based on the industry of the company. So the Lambda function here will be invoked to retrieve information from DynamoDB table. And one example of such information is, let's say, the customer speaks a certain language, and then we want the experience to continue in that language. Then the data we will store in the DynamoDB will be in the form of example of certain specific prompts that the Lambda function will retrieve to be used within the contact flow. Instead of it being static, in this way it's dynamic and it changes from one customer to another. And this is an example if, let's say, it's a company operating in different countries, and this is important for its customers. So the data on the DynamoDB table is it's not static. It can change over time as the business evolves and there's new needs. And for this, having to change it directly on the table could lead to a lot of errors and also a lot of incomplete information. And because of that, it is possible to add another layer on top of this in the form of a web application, which gives the administrators of Amazon Connect the possibility to input such data from an easy-to-use UI. And in the back end of that, you can have Lambda functions checking that information, making sure that it's correct and it's not lacking anything before it gets to be added to the table. And this allows us to avoid having problems arising when the Amazon Connect instance is being used. But that is not the only thing you can add as a functionality to enhance a contact center with Amazon Connect. One of the other things which is interesting to have is how can we use AI-based services on top of this so that the customers won't have to deal with some of the issues we mentioned earlier, like, for example, robots that do not understand what you're saying, also agents who don't know how to handle those our requests. So one of the things is enhancing self-service customer experience, and what that means is that you'll give the customers the possibility, the resources to find answers to their questions and solutions to their problems by themselves without having to escalate to a human agent, which costs businesses more. And how can we do this? So I'm keeping the first architecture I presented earlier with the Lambda and the DynamoDB, but then I'm adding on top of it Amazon Lex to create bots. Amazon Lex is the managed service for conversational bots by AWS. And the way it works, it is based on the same language models used for Alexa, and then you can create bots and design them depending on the industry and how you want them to interact with customers. So you can have intents, and within those intents, utterances. Basically, utterances is examples of what the customer says so that the bot can detect that and be able to recognize it as an intent. Of course, the Amazon Lex is used within a contact flow in the instance, and then based on the way in which the utterance of the customer is recognized, we will have specific outputs of the block within the contact flow, and then from there we can lead customers to other blocks within the contact flow. One thing about Lex is that we have what is called fallback intent, which is when the bot does not recognize the utterance of the customer, which means in this way we have to find a way to improve the legs without escalating to an agent. So this is where using something like Amazon Bedrock can be interesting. So in this case, when we have the fallback intent, which means the bot did not recognize the utterance, it leads to invoking a Lambda function, which then we can use to manipulate some API calls with Bedrock, basically using a foundation model to determine intent instead of to determine the intent because these foundation models are way more powerful than Amazon Lex. Amazon Lex has its limitations. Sometimes it cannot really recognize what the customer is saying. And then by this, we can also add some loop to continue improving Lex by adding the unrecognized utterances to the bot and rebuilding it again, because it's language models, and these can learn over time and improve if we continue to build the new versions of the bots that are including more of the customer utterances. So that's about the AI layer. As I said, it is also possible to assist agents with AI within Amazon Connect. This can be done, as I mentioned earlier, with Contact Lens, which gives access to these real-time analytics. There is also Amazon Q within Amazon Connect. It was previously known as Amazon Wisdom, and it helps give real-time assistance to agents so that when they are being called by a customer and they receive some request or some issue, it becomes easier for them to find solution, and it doesn't take so much time to fix issues, and this increases their productivity. So that is my presentation. Thank you for your attention. You can connect with me on LinkedIn if you want, and we have a couple minutes for questions if you have any. Thank you. Yes?
Oh, no.
The woman.
I was curious to understand what are your greatest challenges right now?
About Amazon Connect?
No, I guess about what use cases you would actually apply generative AI to, such that it's not just throwing money at a problem that could be solved in other more conventional ways. If you have any insight into that. So how do you decide on the business problems that you have?
Yes. So one of the main use cases that generative AI is useful in Amazon Connect is the way in which it can be used to improve Amazon Lex without having managers or supervisors of the contact centers do it themselves, because for this they have to keep surveilling the performance of the bots, seeing when issues arise. So in this case, it is interesting to use Amazon Bedrock so that those intents which were not recognized, they get recognized. And this is really important for businesses because if Lex does not recognize what the customer is saying, normally the request will escalate to an agent, and then agents will cost the business more. So using a generative AI model to improve the performance will help reduce these escalations, and then we will lead to more performing bots within the contact center.